In the quiet countryside, under soft morning sunlight, rows of green plants hold a secret that has fed generations. These are navy beans, small yet powerful, the heart of one of the world's most loved comfort foods, Heinz baked beans. From these humble fields begins a journey powered by nature and perfected by machines. Let's go inside the world of Heinz, where innovation, precision, and taste come together to create the baked beans millions enjoy every single day. Once the navy beans mature, specialized harvesters sweep through the fields. These high-capacity machines separate the pods, shell the beans, and collect them efficiently, minimizing waste and preserving quality. Freshly harvested beans are transported in bulk containers to the Heinz processing plant, where the real transformation begins. At the factory, thousands of kilograms of beans are unloaded into massive stainless steel silos for temporary storage. From here, automated conveyors feed the beans through optical sorters and vibrating screens. These machines use infrared sensors and air jets to detect imperfections, separating broken, discolored, or damaged beans instantly. After sorting, the beans undergo multiple wash cycles. High-pressure jets remove dirt, dust, and field residues, leaving only clean, perfect beans ready for cooking. The next step, hydration. Since dried beans are too firm to cook directly, they are soaked in large stainless steel tanks filled with purified water. Over several hours, the beans absorb water, doubling in size while maintaining their structure, a crucial step for that perfect, soft yet firm, Heinz texture. After soaking, the beans are moved to steam pre-cookers where they're gently heated to reduce enzyme activity and prepare them for sauce blending. Now comes the signature flavor, the Heinz tomato sauce, made from concentrated tomato puree, vinegar, sugar, salt, and a blend of secret spices. This sauce has been perfected for over a century. Automated dispensers measure each ingredient with precise ratios. Sensors monitor pH levels, viscosity, and color consistency, ensuring every batch tastes identical worldwide. The sauce is slowly cooked in giant kettles until it reaches the perfect balance of sweetness, tang, and smooth texture. The unmistakable Heinz flavor. Once the sauce is ready, the hydrated beans are pumped into massive blending vessels. Here, rotary mixers gently fold the beans into the hot tomato sauce. Temperature and timing are crucial. Too hot, and the beans split. Too cool, and the sauce won't cling. Every second is monitored by digital controls for consistency. Next, the mixture moves into one of the fastest canning lines in the world. Robotic fillers dispense exact portions into pre-sterilized tin cans moving at lightning speed, up to 200 cans per minute. Each can is sealed under vacuum using double-seam technology, ensuring an airtight, leak-proof closure that locks in freshness. Once sealed, the cans are loaded into huge retort sterilizers, industrial pressure cookers that heat the beans at over 120 degrees Celsius, 248 degrees Celsius. Inside, the beans continue cooking in their own sauce, achieving that soft texture and rich, infused flavor. This step also sterilizes the product, giving Heinz baked beans their long shelf life, without preservatives. After cooking, the cans pass through cooling tunnels where water sprays reduce their temperature gradually. Once dry, automated labelers wrap each can with the iconic Heinz label, a global symbol of quality and tradition. Robotic packers then stack and shrink-wrap cans into multi-packs, ready for distribution to supermarkets across the world. Every batch is tested in on-site laboratories for flavor, pH, color, and consistency. Only cans that meet Heinz's strict standards are approved for shipment. From these massive production lines, Heinz baked beans travel across continents to breakfast tables, cafeterias, and kitchens worldwide. From seed to can, every step combines nature's simplicity with human ingenuity. A recipe unchanged for generations, crafted not just by hands, but by machines built to nourish the world. This is how Heinz baked beans are produced in an automated factory. A story of taste, precision,